What's up, YouTube? So, I realized that my headphones were just kind of terrible for the audio earlier. So I at least got to leave you with one good review with good audio. So, one of my favorites, Amnesia. Please, for the love of everything that's holy, sponsor your boy. Cereal milk is good. It's one of the hybrids that I am very nutty about. I'm not a hybrid guy. I'm always an indica guy. But with bubblegum and especially with cereal milk. And I don't remember what brand does it. I think it's Platinum that does the churros or churro milk. You guys, sponsor me. Sponsor your boy, please. Here we go again. We're not turning on. Anyways, for, let's see, 80.9% THC and 0.27% CBD, let's rip it, of the cereal milk by Amnesia carts. I don't know why I've been getting the hiccups. It's because I had dinner earlier. Excuse me, guys. Does that happen to anybody else? Anyways, this is amazing. Like, it just has like a gassy slight, yet it's almost like passion fruit and mango and like gas and earthiness, and pininess had a flavor of its own. It's tremendous. Cereal milk is a win. It's a win any day of the week